Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making strawberry dessert. This is a quick and easy recipe that you can throw together for a holiday meal or just any little event that you go to, church socials or whatever. So grab your apron and let's get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for today's recipe. First of all, you need a 9x13 aluminum pan or any other kind of dish. You can use a glass one if you like. I have 1 angel food cake, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. It needs to be softened. Glaze for strawberries, a big container of strawberries, or you can use 2 smaller packs of strawberries, 1 cup of sugar, or you can do less, and 1 large container of Cool Whip or 2 smaller ones. First thing I'm going to do is put my cream cheese into a measuring cup, and I'm going to fill it with hot water because it's not softened yet. So that'll just soften it up in a few minutes. Next, we're going to take our angel food cake, and I like to just go around it and cut it with a knife, and we're going to make smaller pieces out of this and just spread it in the bottom of our pan. And you can just tear this apart with your fingers and put it in here because all of our ingredients are going to go on top of it, and just tear it apart like that until you have the whole thing finished. It should look something like this. Next, we're going to take our strawberries, we're going to wash them, cap them, and slice them and put them into a bowl. Okay, we've added our glaze to our strawberries, and you just need to mix that well and set it aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to add our whipped topping, our softened cream cheese, and a cup of sugar, or around a cup of sugar. You don't have to put a full cup if you don't want to. And then we're going to mix this with a mixer until the sugar is no longer crunchy, and it shouldn't take too long to do that. Now we're going to combine our layers. We have our angel food cake layer, and then we're going to add the Cool Whip layer on top of that and just spread it out even. And then after we do this and get it spreaded pretty even, we're going to add our layer of strawberries and glaze. And just spread these evenly along the top. And then just put it in the refrigerator and let the cream cheese set up, and you're ready to eat. This is a quick and easy recipe, and it's so good. Oh my goodness, it's so good. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more like it in the future, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.